In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record Zoom meeting without meeting permissions. Before we begin, make sure you follow your local laws and any workplace or school guidelines. Always get consent when required, and only record meetings you have the right to capture. To do this, you'll use a third-party screen recorder. A great free option is OBS Studio. Download it from the official website and complete the installation. Once it's installed, open OBS Studio. You'll see two key panels near the bottom, Scenes and Sources. Think of a scene as the container for what you want to record and sources as the things inside that container, like your screen or a specific app window. Start by creating a new scene. Click the plus icon in the Scenes box and give it a clear name so you know what it's for. With the scene selected, go to the Sources box and click the plus icon there. You'll choose between Display Capture or Window Capture. Display Capture records your entire screen, which is helpful if you plan to move the Zoom window around or switch monitors. Window Capture records just the Zoom meeting window, which is cleaner if you want to avoid showing anything else on your screen. After you choose, OBS will prompt you to select the screen or the exact Zoom window you want to capture. Pick the monitor or the Zoom window where your meeting will be. You'll see a live preview on the canvas. If needed, click and drag the red borders to resize the capture so it fills the frame neatly. Keeping zoom maximized helps create a clean recording. At this point, you're ready to record. In OBS, click Start Recording. From that moment on, OBS captures exactly what you selected. Keep the Zoom meeting on the chosen screen or window so the recording stays consistent. It's a good idea to minimize or move OBS out of the way so it doesn't appear in the recording. For audio, OBS typically captures your system sound if desktop audio is enabled, so participants' voices are included. Glance at the audio meters at the bottom. Movement there indicates sound is being recorded. If you don't see any movement, double-check your system volume and that Zoom isn't muted. For the smoothest results, close unnecessary apps to reduce distractions, and consider doing a quick test recording before the real meeting to confirm everything looks and sounds right. And that's it. Download a screen recorder like OBS, open it, add a scene, add a display or window capture source, select your Zoom screen or window, and click record. You're all set.